The video shows an example of a study that was conducted at the Lethbridge Research Centre that was sponsored by the CRTI program of the federal government as well as by Alberta Agriculture. The objective of the project is to look at composting as a method of carcass disposal during an infectious disease outbreak in a beef cattle population. This technique was previously used by Dr. Lloyd Spencer of the CFIA to control the bird flu outbreak that occurred in the Fraser Valley a couple of years ago. The objective of the project is basically to effectively control the infectious agent and prevent it from spreading to any other surrounding cattle populations. In order to achieve this, you have to have a very rapid response in terms of developing a method of disposal and having it ready and operational, hopefully within a 24-hour period. And that's why in the design of this particular experiment, we use locally available materials for the entire composting process, which could be readily purchased from local farm suppliers, enabling us to construct the structures within a 24-hour period. The outer frame of the structure was based on using simply barley straw as a structure. We put small straw bales in the bottom of the structure just in case there was any seepage from the overall composting process, and that those small bales would act to absorb any of that liquid. We then use large square bales as the outer walls of the structure. So our objective was to look at whether or not we could use a similar model, only scale it up to a much larger...